All right, guys, just finished up this new GMC AT4. Did the 4-inch rough country. These trucks come factory with a 2-inch lift, so that's going to be equivalent to a 6-inch on a non-AT4 Trail Boss. On this one with a 35 Nitto Ridge, 35 12 50 22, 22 by 10 fuel clash in the black and milled finish. Very simple setup, but looks really nice. And because it's GMC, we had to do a good bit of clearancing. That's just these new GMCs, they look great, but they do not have a lot of tire clearance. On the front, we go in and of course trim your plastic here, and then we trim your plastic here, re-secure it as well. And on the back, trim the plastic that is here. Your mud flap is trimmed, and then the corresponding metal that is back there behind it as well. And that's about it on this one, man. Very nice truck, very clean truck, but it is a simple setup. Turned out very nice. I'll give you one more walk around the truck. All right, guys, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more.